Hello and welcome to day number 57 of our Travel Trader series. You can see in the markets behind me we had a huge drop, and that's one of the reasons why when I talk to my students I tell them that the bull, so the sign for markets going up, that the bull takes the stairs. So as you can see here, we went up and up and up and up and up, but that took us months, and now within a few days we're going down, and that's why I tell them the bear jumps out of the window. So bear is the representative for stock markets going down. So when we go down, we can go quite fast. So it's really great that our indicators told us in advance, like 3 days before it actually happened, that we are about to go down, and a lot of my students followed it. And some of them made incredible huge amounts of money, like 20, 30, 40,000 just on that little drop that you can see behind me. And although it looks really dramatically, you can imagine that this is just a correction. So it's not really a crash or anything like what we've seen in the financial crisis. So this is just markets that overheated and didn't come back for a long time. So now we have a huge drop, and we might see a reversal soon over the next few days, or let's say at least at the beginning of March. And I'm already looking for my long-term portfolio, so I have shares that I want to hold pretty much forever, and I'm already looking for some things that I can now buy cheaper or at a bargain, while the prices were pretty high over the last few weeks or months even. So now I start to look for bargains. And I'll give you a little market update. So basically we have two trades that were closed. The first one that was closed is, well, actually we have two trades. One of them is closed. That was Euro British Pound. We had a short position in it because we think that the British Pound will go up. So every time you hear something like that, you got to reverse it. So if we are short, means going down in Euro British Pound. We think that the British Pound, so the thing on the other side, is going up and the Euro is going down. And once you get a little bit more familiar, it becomes second nature, so it's easy. But at the beginning, when you just hear that you trade currency pairs, it might be a little bit confusing, so that's why I explain it. So short position in Euro British Pound means for us, we think that the British Pound is going up, and it did go up, and we had like a first immediate reaction was up to 500 something pounds. I think yesterday when I checked in, we were up 450 pounds. However, today we came back, and I already put in take profit order at a certain level, so that we would get out of that trade with making money anyway. And that got triggered, and we made €149.64. I think that should be around 120 pounds or something. That's where the threshold was. So we came back, made some money out of it, and it's not bad for something that we just had for a little bit more than 24 hours. And now we are looking at some other currencies to compensate for that. We have two open trades, and one of them is natural gas, and one that we have for quite a while. We went in the positive, now we went back in the negative. We are still in the negative at minus 258 euro. Right now it becomes a little bit disappointing. However, we still have plenty of time, so we let it run. We'll see how it behaves. Still think that we might see a good movement over March. We will see whether we will sell it off in March or if we hold it until the end of April. That was our original trading idea. Right now it's slightly negative, way from where we would get stopped out, so we let it run and see how it behaves. Of course, it's not like these home run trades we had where we were like up $1,000, $2,000, $3,000, then get stopped out after 3 or 4 days with a huge profit. So this is more one of the slow ones, but nevertheless, as long as we end up making money with it, we're quite happy about it. And then yesterday we put in a new trade. Short position means we want to make money when the price goes down. and that was in orange juice. Orange juice did us a huge favor, dropped down today as exactly as we expected it. We are up there at plus €426.40, so that's pretty good for a day, and hopefully we see like 2, 3, 4 more of these increments in around €500, so we get 2,000, 1,500, 2,000, and I think that's around where our target is. So if we drop down nicely over the next few days, we might end up making 2,000 or a bit more euro in being short in orange juice. Then today I went back a little bit to index trading as the markets are undoubtedly still going down, although they had some going up after the lunch break, but in the morning we were still dropping. First before the morning, so there's a time before the stock market officially opens, where other markets are open or where you have people that indicate prices. So we already went up, but I was pretty sure that we would went down again, so I had a short position in the market, made €700 in our index trading, and I want to keep up with that, doing that a little bit more frequently. Like since I was on vacation in Jordan, I didn't do that very often, so now I want to get back and want to make some money in that daily index trading again, and we will still continue to build up our longer term, so over several days and weeks, trades to make money with these kind of swing trades as well. As I told you, started to look at new trading opportunities over the weekend. I will write down everything that I think is promising and that I want to trade over the next few weeks, so basically in March. I will let you know all about it and write it down so you can have a look at it and do either, if you already know what you do, how to trade, you can do exactly the same thing, or you just watch it and see if you get any ideas, or if you see that how well these predictions typically are working out. Another thing is I'm pretty excited, first of all, because very soon we will move house, so the scenery will change. Funny enough, I'll be moving house while I'm not even here, so that's the best thing, how to move a house, but very soon you will get a little different view, so really excited about it. It's very, very beautiful. I instead, rather than moving house myself, will get on a speaking tour, so I'm currently getting ready to go to 3 different countries, 9 different cities over the next 3 weeks, and speak to you and tell you more about how to make money in the stock market, how you can become financially free by using the stock market, by using trading as a tool, so you can get started out and have, of course, more time in an evening to explain things to you than I now have here in these short videos. So whoever would like to come, just drop me a message or put something in the comment section, so I can send you the links over and we can see personally, and I can answer your questions when you have some there, or if you can't make it and have any questions, write them down in the comment section as well, so I can answer them. Had some private messages coming in, very, very interesting questions for people that are looking how to trade and how to make more money, and especially about these indicators. They had some specific questions, so always happy when I see that people are interested in these things and they come back, and sometimes you can even learn something for yourself if people look at it at a different angle, so that is a great experience. So, as I said, if you're interested, let me know. I can send you the link where you can register for the event so we can see each other live. Otherwise, I will be back tomorrow with another market update, and very soon in a new environment. So have a great evening. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.